Hi. So you want to have rich friends, but most rich people don't want to be your friends. Most rich people don't want to associate themselves with you. And for you to become rich, you have to be much closer to people that are already successful, more rich than you. But they don't want to be friends with you, they want to be associated with you. And here's the reason why. Most rich people don't want to be associated with poor people because number one, they're afraid of being asked a lot of things. So most people that are poor will ask a lot of rich people to give them handouts, and they want to be associated with people that add value to them, not people that decrease a lot of value. And I don't blame a lot of people that are like that, that feel like they don't want to be associated with the poor because of the fact that they are constantly asked a couple of things, a lot of favors. So if you want to be friends with people that are wealthier than you, number one, stop asking for favors and stop asking for handouts. Number two, do not constantly be the energy drainer or the person that complains. Have you ever been in a room, you just get in and you meet a person, and already this person is draining the energy out of you? Most poor people are like that, and not only are they poor in terms of money, but I mean poor in terms of resources, in terms of achievement, in terms of something that they want to achieve, not just financially. It can be spiritually poor, it can be physically. They do not like active, they're not that active, so they do not like participating in physical activities. It can be spiritually poor, where they're not actively involved in terms of their spirituality. They don't meditate, they don't go to church, they don't have a relationship with the higher power or God. So most rich people do not want to associate themselves with people like that. They're tired of being asked, they're tired of people that are complaining, and they want growth, but they want mutual growth. That's the third thing. Most of the time, rich people want someone that they have a relationship with, but this person, they can grow from them, or they mutually growing. So how can you be a person that's not complaining, that's not energy draining? And number three, someone that a rich person can grow from. So those are the answers that you need to answer before you want to become a friend with someone that's wealthier than you. So if you want to become friends with a lot of people that are wealthy, this is how I did it. When I started off, I used to do PR, so I understood how to get interviews or TV interviews for myself, and I knew how to get interviews for other people that are wealthy. So I knew that skill in itself can help me fast forward my career in terms of real estate, in terms of public speaking, in terms of anything that I wanted, because I could easily access or easily communicate with someone that's already wealthy and say, hey, I'm gonna give you the service for free. So I'd basically go to more wealthy people and say, hey, I'm going to put you on TV. This is my numbers. If you want this platform, I'm more than happy to give you access to this. Let's communicate. I love what you're doing, and I get a lot of value from what you're doing. But please, if you want these platforms, I am availing myself to you. So what does that do? To a rich person or someone that's already wealthy, they start thinking, I need this interview. I want this interview. I've never been on a platform like SABC. I've never been on ENCA. I've never been on ETV. I've never been on Soweto TV. I've never been on radio or TV. So they want to communicate with me, or they want access to me, or they want to have a relationship with me because I can basically give them something. So if you are less fortunate or less rich compared to the other person, give them value first. Offer them a lot of value before you ask for something. And in most cases, the relationship that you have with them is worth way more than the money that you basically might be spending to get those skills, to get those resources. So always make sure that you offer a lot of value to the person that you want to be associated with, and do not ask or constantly ask for things. Because imagine if you have a friend is always asking you for something. This friend is always hustling you for something. This friend is always asking you for a favor. What do? You want to run away from that person. And that's how most rich people feel about people that are less successful or not wealthy at all. They feel like this person might be here to get certain favors. So appear from first hand that you're not there for any favors, you're there to provide value for them. And that's how you can create a long-term relationship with someone that's more successful than you or wealthier than you. And that person can basically, or that relationship can basically help you fast forward your career much more faster than you would have alone or without them. Right? I hope that tip was useful, and I hope that you'll use that tip forever in your lifetime. But otherwise, I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.